Greetings to my viewers and welcome to my channel Learn to Ease. Before starting the video I request my viewers to subscribe my channel Learn to Ease. In this video we will learn about Preamble of the Indian Evidence Act. First point is meaning of Preamble. Firstly, we will understand what is the meaning of Preamble. Meaning is: a preamble is an introduction to an act that describes the act purpose, or introductory part of statute, act stating its purpose, aim and justification. Secondly, preamble is a preface or identity card. Means it is preface or identity card of law of evidence. Examples like books have a preface, etc. Thirdly, preamble describes the objectives and intentions of the act. Fourthly, a preamble can contain facts about the act. Second point. Uses or justification of words. Preamble clears the words of the act. If any such similar words or their meaning are same in the act, preamble explains and clarifies such similar words and meaning of it. Third point. Preamble of law is not part of the law but explains its purpose. Exception: preamble of Constitution. Fourth point is what is the meaning of Preamble of Indian Evidence Act, 1872? Meaning is: whereas it is expedient to consolidate, means to collects or unifies the law of evidence. Whereas it is expedient to define, means defines the part of the evidence where it is necessary. Whereas it is expedient to amend, means amends the relating laws where it is necessary. It is a consolidated act, defining act and amending act. Or in other sense, it is to consolidate, define and amend the law of evidence. By collection, defining and amending of the law relating matters this present act was enacted. Last point is: capital object is to prevent and discipline an admission of evidence by enacting a correct and uniform law of practices. Let's take one citation to explain the term. The State of Punjab vs. Sodhi Sukhdev Singh, 1961 Supreme Court. In case of doubt or ambiguity over the interpretation of any of the sections of the Evidence Act, we can with profit look to the relevant English common law for ascertaining their true sense. Hopefully this video is helpful for you. Like, share and do subscribe my channel Learn to Ease, so that you can get the latest videos when it will be uploaded. Thank you.